Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. In this additional, not in today's newspaper, no. Today it's actually Sunday, and on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper. No, it's actually the newspaper of yesterday, Saturday, January the 8th, 2022. Well, we have one puzzle left. Look, the letter Sudoku is already solved. The 2 stars, the 3 stars, the tectonic, and the binary. Those puzzle I'm not interested. So one puzzle is left in this additional. And in this tectonic, yes, this will be tectonic number 3955. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this tectonic has 20 printed digits. So it should be an easy one. Because it's also a 1 star. A 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. That's my time limit. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1, or boxes. I see here single box. There single box, always a 1. Dual boxes, I see here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 1 is already filled in. So this box should be a 2. More dual boxes here. Also the 1 is already filled in, so this should be a 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes then. Do we have any triple boxes here? No. Quadra boxes then? No quadra boxes. Let me scan. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or constructions. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape. Here, let me draw this here. Alright. If you see this kind of shape here, remember this, that this box has the same number as that box. Alright. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. Rotated. Well, flipped. Well, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. It's connected with each other. Here, another one. Rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape. Alright. This shape, if you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No. And those are the shapes or the figures that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 2 of them. There are more, I believe 6, but not in this puzzle. Only 2 of them. Why you need to recognize then? It's easy, the following step. It's easy for filling the numbers. Alright, so let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box. Also 2 and 3. And this box is connected with that box. 2 and 3, okay. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 2 and 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Together with the 3, we have a pair, so 1 digit left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 3 and 5. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. These two boxes, wait, these 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be so a 3. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 4, because it can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? We have a 3 in this same area. Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, because we have a 1 here and 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here cannot be a 1. But also that box cannot be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. No, 3 and a 4. Almost made the mistake. Okay. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that that box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4, and that box should be a 5. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We already have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 4. Alright, so these 3 boxes surround the 1, can it be a 1? So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, we already have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 2. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. Okay, let me go here. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 2. Now I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 2. 3 and 2. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 2 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright, great Tectonic. A fast one to solve, and I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus, playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again on Monday. Until then, bye bye for now.